qué tranza con esa panza.
Buenos días, dígate su puta madre.
Y quedó la troca. Unfinished build. It stayed here all summer. And unfortunately, I kind of lost all the parts for it. So I'm gonna buy my son another one. A better one. Well, I'm gonna show you. Here it is. Just how high I left it, but it got more dirty. Got leaves since it was left outside, snow on it. Oh, the primer kind of came off a little bit. It's just pretty much just sat here. I'm missing screws. I'm missing the doors. Huh? I said I think I'm just gonna buy him I think I'm just gonna buy him another one. So what do you think, puppy? You want another truck? You want another truck? Not this one? Or you want this one? It doesn't have the doors though. Or without doors, like a Jeep. Huh? What do you want to do? You want to buy another? You want me to buy you another one, or you want me to fix this one? Huh? You want me to buy you another one, or what? You want to buy you another truck?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? So yeah, it's just a little update from almost a year. Yeah, oh yeah, and it's missing the steering wheel. That's the other reason why I want to get another one, cause I had like a metal part so the wheels could move, and it's somewhere around here and I can't find it. Oh, and one more thing. How do you guys like the quality on the camera? I got this GoPro for Christmas. GoPro. So now I'm really gonna be, cause I was using my phone and I don't really have enough storage on my phone. So I'm gonna be using this one, and maybe later on get like a little camera. Stay tuned for another video coming soon this summer. I don't know what to say, bro. On the Cadillac build, I wanted to finish it, but like I said, I did lose the parts, the most important parts that I needed. Stay tuned for more videos. This summer is gonna be different. It's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna be doing more videos, more vlogs for you guys. Even though I got a little bit of subscribers, but you know, it's whatever. I'll get through someday. So stay tuned for more. And yeah, peace.